We are pleased to show you the 2019 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: automatic transmission, daytime running lights, Bluetooth, trip computer, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, speed proportional power steering, tilt steering wheel, engine hour meter. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.